Hello Joy. So this is the folder that the museum folder. So I've just extracted it. So let me show you how to import it into Unity. So open Unity. So you come over to add, right? So you locate the folder. Mine is actually in the download folder. So if you notice, right, if you click on this first folder, right, and you click on select folder, right? Let me see whether it will work. Okay, click on open. Should be able to open. So you see, it has opened up, right? So this is the interface you have to show to the supervisors or to the team of jury. That this is Unity, this is the interface, this is the UI, and these are the assets. All these are the assets: the 3D model, the script, the UI, the script. You can open it. That it was written in C#. Then that this is the SDK, the UI. Understand? So you can just show them this, and once you show them this, just open the application that I already built out and install it on your Android phone, right? Then visualize it for them. Okay, you can double click on this image target, right, to show them the 3D model. You can zoom in to show them the 3D model. So this is a 3D model that will be shown out when you scan the image target. So if you notice, this is the image target that you have. So I hope you have already printed it out. So this is just a quick illustration of what you should do. Okay, I hope that works and that helps. All right, thank you and have a good night.